Hello everybody. Today I'd like to show you this Manning-Bowman, or however you'd like to pronounce that name, box fan. It's a pretty nice one actually. It's pretty much all metal except for the fan blade assembly. Here you have all your information up here. You have two offs, which you have off, and then you have high and low. Which is kind of different. There's no medium on this fan. So, the front, of course. Here is the back. Nothing too fancy. Of course, it has a lot of dirt in it because it's been used at a lot of county fairs in the animal barns. So, it of course has a lot of wear and tear on it. So, let's start off with low. Doesn't really push a lot of air, but certainly spins. And then we'll turn it on high. Pretty decent. So we'll turn it off. Of course you have another off right here. And there you go. Manning-Bowman, or however you'd like to pronounce that name, box fan. Hope you enjoyed this video, and also please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.